Orange color stands for enthusiasm. And also orange color stands for creativity. Okay? So how can you get orange color? Is orange color is a primary or a secondary color? Very good. It's a secondary color. So what are primary colors? Very good. But yellow are not primary colors. Okay? And how the secondary color is? Carrots, yes, carrots. Clap, clap, clap. Orange is also an orange color, right? What is the color? Yellow color. Okay? You can show now. You can show. Orange color. Okay? What happens when you mix red and yellow color? You get orange color. Okay?
Sanskruti